Hey, Mimi, what's up? Hey, Ling Ling. Hey, what you doing? I'm just folding towels, that's it. Okay, hold on. Wait, what do you want to talk about? What do you think about Johnny? What do you want to know about Johnny? You think Johnny's like this, or you think Johnny's like that? He's like this. He's not like that. So I'm not even worried about him. Girl, if that man was like that, I would take him all night. Unfortunately, girl, seems like he's not your type. So unfortunately, girl, sometime men nowadays, you can't tell which side they like to swing anymore. No, if I know anything about Johnny, I'll definitely share with you, okay? Don't let anybody know that we have this conversation, okay? What are you guys talking about? Holy shit, man. What? Ling Ling, I told you to go do the laundry. Where the hell did you come from? Get to work. Oh, Ling Ling, what are you doing? Yeah, Min asked me to do the laundry, but I'm getting old, ho. That looks so heavy. I wish there was something better than just this big old gallon of detergent. Look what I got for you. This one by Clean Scent. It's a paper detergent. Say what? Pure 99% bacteria, 99% chemical-free, plant-based, and color protection. One load laundry, one sheet, easy, and save a lot of space. Oh, man. Here, let me give it to you. Say what? You okay? Oh, my God. That's it. You telling me if I put this in here and wash it with the one load of towels, it will be perfectly clean and I'll have to carry this heavy thing? Ah! Where have you been? Hey, Ling Ling. Johnny, how you doing? Sorry, no, nothing. You look good today. You okay? Let me know you need anything, Johnny. Anything you need, okay? Anything. Whatever you need, just let me know. I'm here for you.